The Untouchables and the Pax Britannica by Babasaheb Ambedkar. Part 14. 1. From 1813 to 1854. 1. Education under the British rule in the Bombay Presidency must be said to have begun with the foundation of the Bombay Education Society in 1815. That society did not confine its efforts to the education of only European children. Native boys were encouraged to attend schools in Surat and Thana, and at the beginning of 1820, four separate schools for natives had been opened in Bombay and were attended by nearly 250 pupils. In August of the same year, further measures were taken to extend native education. A special committee was appointed by the Society to prepare school books in the vernacular languages and to aid or establish vernacular schools. But the wide scope of the undertaking was soon seen to be beyond the aims of a society established mainly for the education of the poor, and in 1822 the committee became a separate corporation, thenceforth known as the Bombay Native School Book and School Society, which name was in 1827 changed into the Bombay Native Education Society. The Honorable Mount Stuart Elphinstone was the new society's first president. The vice presidents were the Chief Justice and the three members of the Executive Council of the Bombay government, and the managing committee consisted of 12 European and 12 native gentlemen, with Captain George Jervis R.E. and Mr. Sadashiv Kashinath Chhatre as secretaries. The society started its work with a grant of Rs 600 per Mansan from the government. As early as 1825, the government of Bombay had alongside began to establish primary schools at its own expense in district towns and had placed them under the control of the collectors. To coordinate the activities of these two independent bodies, there was established in 1840 a Board of Education composed of 6 members, 3 appointed by government and 3 appointed by the Native Education Society. This board was in charge of the education department till the appointment of the Director of Public Instruction in 1855. The end.